Struggling to find products that actually sell in 2025? Well, you're not alone. Most dropshippers waste time testing products that never take off. And that's why in this video, I'm going to show you 7 proven products that I found during my product research with Zik Analytics. These are products that actually are making great profits right now, right? And trust me, some of these will definitely surprise you. So without, wasting your time, let's just jump right into it. The first product that I found here is this one, sunflower spinning ring. This is a great product for general or fashion dropshipping store. This fashion item is screaming like best summer product. The fact that the flower on the ring spins just makes it not only visually appealing, but also gives extra cool features similar to those fidget spinners, something that people enjoy for relaxation or stress relief. I mean, you name it. I found this store right here selling this product for $1949. To determine if this product is truly performing well or just benefiting from social media hype without actual sales, I'm going to use a tool that scans Shopify stores and reveals data that Shopify does not display, such as how many units this product is actually selling. What I'm going to do is I'm just copy the URL right here, and then I'm going to go to Zik Analytics store sales tracker tool, and then I paste it here, and then I click search. And here we go. It shows that this ring was sold 83 times in the past 30 days. Now, to confirm if the product is also profitable, I'm just gonna click here on the AliExpress icon. I see that we have so many exact matches. Let's just go with this one. It's the same ring and just for $4.17 plus $1.99 for shipping. So the total price is $6.16. Let's calculate the profit together, right? This is the formula that I'm gonna be using throughout the video. So the selling price is $19.49. The Shopify fee is 2.9% plus 30 cents. So that's 86 cents. The product cost from AliExpress is $6.16. So the total profit per sale is $12.47. So that means that the total monthly profit from this product alone is $1,030, all right? And I would like to say that this product is actually, it's a great option for beginners because it has a low sourcing cost and it can be marketed organically through platforms like Instagram and TikTok. You can make those really easy videos about it, all right? So don't go anywhere because the next product is a genius one. It's this one right here, the solar surveillance camera. As you can see in the video, thanks to its solar rechargeable panel, this product is the ultimate solution for outdoor surveillance during summer. And because it's a solar powered, it's also very cost effective in the long run. Now, I actually found this dropshipping store right here. And actually, it's the same store that I showed you previously in the first product, okay? And guess what? They're selling this product for $135.49. And then I did the same thing as Ken with Zik Analytics, and I found out that they sold this product, look at this, 67 times, which is quite impressive for a product priced over $100. Now, by clicking here in the item finder again, I found several exact matches. It's loading. Okay, look at that. You see that? Then we can go just with this one right here. Let me open for you. So this exact same product costs $59.27 plus $6.08 for shipping. So that's a total of $65.35. This means that the store is making around $66 profit per sale. My friends, with 67 sales, that's about $4,400 in profit before ads and operational expenses. But my friends, this is truly amazing. All right, this is really good profit right here. Anyway, before we continue with the next product that I'm sure is going to surprise you and make you wonder, why did Zik add this to the top product list? Well, if you're enjoying this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. And if you want to use the same tools that I'm showing this video, come on, you can subscribe to Zik Analytics for $1 for the first week. Give it a try. Let me know what you think. All right, so the next product in the list is this one. It's a pretty obvious one. Sunglasses. Yeah, I know. Let me play the video here. You probably think, hey, Rogerio, why sunglasses, man? Well, let me explain to you. If it's so obvious, why did it, make it to the Zik Analytics top August list? It's because of the huge profit margins behind it, especially when you're sourcing sunglasses from AliExpress. My friends, the cost is super low, but the perceived value is really high. So in some cases, you will see sunglasses selling for $60 while sourcing price on AliExpress is just like $7 or $10. Don't believe me? Okay, let me show you with an example. So I found these sunglasses sold in this dropshipping store right here. You see that? It has a great store, a great layout and everything. And they are priced at $39. And after adding to my cart, there's a shipping fee for $5.90. So the total cost is $44.90. All right, stay with me. So when I scanned this store using the store sales tracker, I saw that these sunglasses sold, look at this, 26 times. All right. And here's the kicker. The exact same sunglasses on AliExpress costs only $5.58 plus $1.86 for shipping. So that's a total of $7.44. Guys, that's more than 5 times higher in the dropshipping store. I told you that the margins here are just insane. So when it comes down to profit, that's around $30 profit per sale. And with 26 sales last month, that's a total profit, monthly profit of $780. Wow, that's why it's in our list. All right, the next product is a perfect fit for people who take cycling seriously. And trust me, there's a huge market where buyers are willing to spend a lot of money for the right gear. This is the cycling hat. And honestly, without doing proper product research, I would never even have thought of this product before, yet it turns out it's quite profitable, surprisingly profitable. And I found this dropshipping store right here, and they're selling these like cool, really cool hats, cycling hats. And this one's caught my attention. And it's $28. You see that? And then by scanning the store, I saw that it's a niche dropshipping store for cyclists, which is great. It's a great sign because it tells me that these products were carefully selected and tested before being added to their catalog. And here's the data. Data doesn't lie, all right? This hat here, this specific model, sold 29 times in the last 30 days. And then when I clicked on the item finder, I found plenty of sourcing options, but I went along with this one right here. And this is definitely the same product. You can see it, right? And it costs only $4.55 plus $1.99 for shipping. So that's $6.54. That means that this store is making around $20 profit per sale after Shopify fees. Multiply that by 29, we're looking at $580 in profit. Just this product alone. Imagine the other hats, all right? All right. Okay. What do you think about these products? Let me know in the comment below. Now, we can't talk about summer without mentioning people are getting in shape. They want to work out to get in shape, do selfies, TikTok videos and all that stuff. We also have to say that home workouts are more popular than ever. And that's where this thing comes in, this resistance band. All right. You look at this video right here. And as you can see, this is a simple workout device. But recently, the demand for these kind of products just has been skyrocketing. And I found this store selling this product for $24.99. Now, when I scanned this store using Zix, it sold 59 times in the past 30 days. And then I went to AliExpress, guess what? The same exact product costs $5.41 plus $7.37 for shipping. So that's a total of $12.78. This means that each sale generates $11 in profit. With 59 sales, my friends, that's $659 from this one simple product alone. Crazy. Anyway, the next product is perfect for anyone looking to upgrade their garden this summer. So meet the wooden cart flower pot. I mean, it's adorable. I like it. It's just a simple garden piece that adds charm and instantly upgrades any backyard. All right. Any garden, anything. So I found this product being sold by this dropshipping store right here, and they're selling it for $49.99. And when I scanned the Shopify store using Zix store sales tracker, I saw that this product was sold 31 times. Now, I did same process. I clicked here in the item finder, many sources, many exact matches from AliExpress, but I went with this one right here. And the cost is only $17.93 plus $3.46 for shipping. So that's a total of $21.39. This means that this store is making a profit of $26.80 per sale. With 31 sales this month, that's $830 profit from this product. And honestly, I really believe that garden decor like this one's right here, it's just gonna spike in August and September. So this could be a great seasonal product to jump on right now. Come on, do this, add this to your store, come on. Anyway, the last product in our list is a true classic. It's the camping folding chair. Check out this video right here. Now, this is one of those evergreen products that consistently shows solid sales every year. And honestly, it's a must-have for any camping enthusiast. Anyway, I found this dropshipping store selling this camping folding chair for 69.99 euros, which is around $82, right? But what makes this specific model even more appealing is the built-in storage bag under the chair. Just adds, extra convenience and value. Now, after scanning the store, I saw that this product was sold 18 times in the past 30 days. And then sure, Roger, it's not a huge sales number, but wait, don't go anywhere. This is going to be exciting. Let's see if we can source in a way that leaves room for high profit margins. So what I did is I clicked here the item finder. It's loading, and then look at that. Perfect. Exact matches on AliExpress. And then I went with this one right here. And look at that. Do you see that? Do you see that? It's definitely the exact same product, and it costs only $11.01 plus $15.32 for shipping. So that's a total of $26.33. Plus, the reviews on AliExpress for this product are great, which is important, especially for products like this one that require some assembly and need to hold weight safely. Meanwhile, the dropshipping store is selling this for $82. It's a huge profit margin. So even though they're not selling massive quantities, they're making great profits on each sale. In fact, their profit per sale is about $53. With 18 sales last month, we're talking about $954 from this product alone. So that's the end of this video, and I hope that you are now ready to make August 2025 your best month yet. When you focus on products backed by data, you're not just increasing your chances of success, you're also minimizing the guesswork. All right. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and share and subscribe. It means a lot to everyone and to me here. All right, let's go. Keep moving forward, and I'll see you next time.